Score fans, it's Berta Bonastre here, and I was asked to do like a video with some of the exercises that I do or some of the workouts I do at home to stay fit during those difficult days. Yeah, I just wanted to say that I have a bone edema in my femur, so most of the exercises are just with my upper body, but it's still funny to do that, and yeah, that's the main thing I wanted you to know. But I will try to do them as clear as I can, and I'm not a professional personal trainer, but I can show you a summary of the physical plan that we do with the Spanish national team. So first of all, we will start with a foam roll. We do it at the beginning of every gym session or strength session. It helps a lot our muscles to be more relaxed, I would say. And we do like 7 or 8 movements in each muscle of our body, especially those which are more tense, and so it makes it easy to start the strength session. Part of the session, we will start with mobility or pre-up, which help us, well, it's like a little warming up, and it's to make our muscles ready to start the strength session. And yeah, I will show you some of the exercises we do at that moment. Strength part. We will mainly use different bands, like this one sometimes, this long band, and this mini band, and also TRX that I have there at the door. I will not bring it here, but this is the mainly material that we use, and sometimes some material from home, like chairs, or I don't know, it depends on which session it is, but we try to adapt everything at home. Yeah, that's all. Forgot a detail. From those strength exercises, we mainly have 2 circuits. One day we do the first one, the other day we do the second one, and I will do a summary of both of them. But we mainly do those 2 circuits 4 times each, and the reps are like 10, between 8 and 10 reps for each exercise and each side. Sometimes if I see personally, if I see that it's not really hard, or that day I'm feeling better, then I do more reps, and so I get more tired. those exercises we combine it with some cardio circuits in the afternoon. So in the morning we do strength, and in the afternoon it's more cardio. But as I have this bone edema, I cannot do them so much. So I just do chair boxing, which is not so funny to watch. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the session. And as I said, for any question or whatever, you can just DM me. And well, guys, just stay home, chill, and sometimes you do exercise to stay fit and to play hockey again really soon. Good luck and kisses from Spain.